Suppose that a type A blood donor is needed for a certain surgery. Carry out a simulation to answer the following question. If 40% have type A blood, what is an estimate of the probability that it will take at least 4 donors to find one with type A? So you are going to simulate the 40% using some type of device. If I were doing this experiment, I would use colored cubes in a bag. And in order to get 40%, you can either use 40 red cubes and 60 blue, because that would make 100, so 40 out of 100 is 40%. And then how would we complete a trial for this simulation? It said that you need to take at least 4 donors to find one with type A blood. You only need to draw 3 cubes in order to figure out if it's going to take a 4th one. If you get type A in any of the first 3 draws, then you know it won't take at least 4. But if you don't get type A in the first 3, then you know it's going to take 4 or more. So you're going to draw 3 cubes for each trial. Then it says, what constitutes a success? They're trying to figure out the probability that it will take at least 4. That means that you do not get a red cube in the first 3 drawn. A success is if you don't get any red cubes. So blue, blue, blue. Then it says, carry out 15 trials and list your results, and compute an estimate for the probability that it takes at least 4 donors to find one with type A blood. Create a chart and then you are going to complete the trial. You can use the CPM link found in your Google Classroom to create a bag that has 40 red and 60 blue. Or if you chose a different device, you can use that as well. Then you're going to conduct your trials. So for trial 1, you're going to pull 3 cubes out and list the colors. For example, you could say red, blue, red, based on whatever you pulled out of the bag. Then you're going to calculate how many came out entirely blue out of 15. You're going to have to do these because your results are going to be different for each person.